Fruity!
We're going on an adventure.
Hey!
We got Melissa, we got Abby, and we got Dene.
So, I don't know honestly where we're going, but I'm just along for the ride. Hakuna Matata. Hey, rock your body right. Back streets back, alright. Go down the coast. Despacito, quiero respirar tu cuello despacito. Deja que te diga cosas al oído.
Lit.
Hey.
No, this one.
Simba's here too. Simba is here too.
You ready for this, Abby?
This isn't Aerosmith. No.
You know I'm not the little boy that I used to be. I'm all grown up now, baby, can't you see? Stacy's mom has got it going on. She's all I want, and I've waited for so long. Stacy, can't you see? You're just not good for me. I know it might be wrong, but I'm in love with Stacy's mom.
Museum.
Hi.
Abby, we're here at a museum in Florida.
It's really cool.
We brought the Dene in the museum too, so we can meet the animals. He's crawling. Oh my god.
The snake freaked me out.
Oof.
You're not doing it, Liz?
There's snakes everywhere.
There's just one.
We're doing a scavenger hunt, and we got our first stamp. So cool. Gobble, it's Thanksgiving.
I have a shell that's hard. I go in. Do you say it's Thanksgiving?
Gobble, gobble.
On my body, I have a shell that's hard. I go inside.
Turtle.
to take-
Turtle.
Cool.
Found him. Turtle.
He's so small.
Guys, you just walked on a real rug. What animal is this?
Gently rub.
Go. Wait. Hold the shell sunny side up in the palm of your
Okay, we're
shiny
holding
side
it.
up.
It's up, yes.
With the small stick held in your hand, gently rub the tip of the stick along the shiny inside of the shell. Oh wait. Yeah.
Sounds like a mouse. He's a pancake.
I'm also kind of tiny.
Pancake. Love her life. Don't fall.
I'm in the bald eagle perch.
Melissa is playing with the toys in here. Where's she at? Oh look. I knew you would be here. Me too. I would be in the doctor's office scared they're gonna give me a shot, and then I had little things like.
Oh, he fell over. But all these dolls, they're kind of creepy looking. Look at that. That's like my nightmare. Please do not touch. Okay. It's kind of creepy, but I would play with it. That fire truck, kids would play with that. That looks like it's heavy. The rain's down in Africa. That scared the crap out of me. These don't have heads.
I'm going.
Drake upset.
He got shot in the grass.
I would be upset too. We're at Coliseum.
I have Clue and I have Monopoly, but I like collecting different Monopolies. But there's so
Oh
many
my god.
Rick and Morty?
No.
Guardians of the Galaxy?
No.
Golden
Look.
Girls?
Yeah.
I was just holding of this one, but that's
Oh,
Clue.
that's Clue.
Oh yeah, who ate the last piece of cheesecake? That's us.
Yeah, it is us because you Snapchatted me. Abby Snapchatted me the other day. No, yesterday.
Yesterday.
Did you leave the cheesecake
Who left
out?
out the cheesecake?
I would never do that to cheesecake, okay? Especially
And
if
it was Nutella, and I made it from
yeah,
scratch.
I would never do that to you, Abby. See her?
Achilles and Pegasus.
Get it,
I
girl.
saw that. I like the Aladdin one. I
too
like the
much.
Aladdin one more.
But eventually get that. There's
no,
Aladdin.
this. I love this.
There's the dwarfs, beast,
I don't know. Like,
Belle,
there's so many.
Belle. Look what we should have in the house.
My heart is racing right now.
Look. Are you in?
Run. Look at Orlando. You can see it from here. That's when you know it's a clear sky.
Orlando. Okay, it's from music.
I didn't know this, Ian.
What?
That's Spain.
Well,
Oh
have you
my
never?
gosh.
I mean, like the conquistadors, the Spanish conquistadors.
See, me and Abby, like, we can go, you know, have a conversation here because we know, I know a little bit. Obviously, Abby knows more.
We're looking at Pokemon cards. And he's getting this one. Which one is this one, Ian?
It's Carnivine.
Carnivine is one of Ian's favorite. Oh, we're looking at more. Wait, hold on. Let me look too. Oh, these are the OGs almost.
No, these are other generations.
These are the OGs
Yeah,
up in here.
Yeah, I know. Beedrill.
Don't test.
Look, a Staryu. You should get
What's
that
the
one.
noise, Ian?
What? You should get that one. It's cute.
You gonna give me Staryu?
Oh wait, are you like on a budget right now?
Yeah, I just spent $1 on it.
And a Starmie.
What's the noise?
Team up because they always team up every once in a while, and I love it when they like.
I like Wonder Woman and Batman.
No, because look, they fight Zoom and they fight.
Show me.
Too.
Show me.
I see some cheetah girls or something down there.
This Cheetah, that's Wonder Woman's arch nemesis.
Not the Disney cheetah girls.
She is gonna be in Wonder Woman
Who's the
2.
yellow guy? Is
That
that
is
Reverse
Zoom.
Flash?
Yeah, that is.
Also reverse. Okay, I get you.
I'm thinking
Look,
about
look at
getting.
this. You guys are gonna get shook.
Let me see.
I mean, maybe.
Let me
You're
see.
gonna be like, damn, I don't know, but this person fights with Wonder Woman a lot more than you think.
Ah.
Lies.
No lies.
Since when?
Since
I'm
always.
living for it. Does he also get the lasso of truth?
Like he steals her shit.
I
and
see
like,
a spicy night for him and Harley Quinn like that.
Ooh.
she's like,
Harley,
"Hey,
tell
Mr.
me the
J,
truth."
I want you to be Wonder Bread."
What?
She calls Wonder Woman. Why are you recording me? You're not gonna post that.
He always says that. And guess what happens?
Played again.
We're in the movies. Ian. This is gonna be Ian's first time seeing Solo. What are your expectations out of this film?
You cannot show this, okay? Because I look really fat right now. This is not a good angle, this.
Okay. What are your expectations?
No expectations at all.
What do you? What do
appreciate
you?
that.
Because everyone had an expectation about The Last Jedi. You like The Last Jedi, Ian?
It was okay. Not my favorite Star Wars movie, but
Something like
Ian got
I know these
Pokemon cards.
idiots who play tag.
Wait, where are they?
That year was
They're-
one of
they're
the
on the
most
floor.
read articles in the Wall Street Journal.
They decided this could be a fun way to stay in touch with each other.
You never know when.
they're big cool with
Ian, what did you think of Solo? Ian. Ian, what did you think of Solo?
Oh wait, you're not asking me. I forgot.
I loved it.
Abby saw it like, what, 4 times? 4 times. And we just going, we're leaving now. We're leaving.